Hello, this I am Dr. Frank Apia. This is a MBA MBW gate circuit. This circuit is deduced from the earlier paper published at EasyChair, based on some logics derived from a marriage query answering AI predicates. This circuit is derived. The gates use AND and OR gates. Here there are only two variables, MBA, MBW, indicated with switches, put down switches. Um, so the idea is to look at the timing diagrams or sequences for the circuit derived. The outputs here are indicated are shown by LED 10 and LED 12, light 10, light 12. This will further be used in designing a chip. When this is the first part of the equation, logic equation, I'll start with the timing. Okay, so first you have to create a new timing diagram. But what I've done one with 6 entries. Each pin is labeled. We have 6 here: MBA in, MBW in. Okay, there's some repetition because the same variables are used in the other circuit or either circuit, and or. Down here is the timing diagram from an earlier recording, but we will record again. Here there are color indicators to show for easy accessible line outlining. After each recording, it's possible to export the timing circuit. So I'll press the start recording, then start. So it's now recording. The circuit is off at the off state. I will press MBA. Okay, it's a push down switch, so you have to hold it, or you have to push it down a bit. So the MBA switches the all circuit on. We have a light 12 on. Okay, so okay, and MBW so gets light 12 on. It's an all circuit, so either one can get the light on. So MBW is now in press state. It's down. So yeah, I'll do the second one. Now both MBA and MBW on state shows light 10 on. Okay, when I leave MBA off, the AND gate output is off, so light 10 is off. Okay, now try pushing down, holding in on state for some time. A bit difficult doing this. Okay, okay, now I'll stop that and we check the timing diagrams. So that's what we have. Okay, so that is off. as it's on for 3 seconds, from 16.6 seconds to 17.8. This shows on, then off, then comes on. Then all gates, end gate is off, down. Okay. Hello, welcome. This recording is to show how to design a chip structure or chip system here. Here we have a circuit called MBA, MBW, logic circuit. To design a chip system, which means to show the structure and interconnection, organization of a chip pins or a pin configuration. The approach here is to set up an I/O circuit and indicate all the I/O connections for the interconnection of the chip. Yeah, to do that, I will. This circuit first is based on two variables, MBA and MBW. There are two indicators which are not necessary here, but to test the circuit. So we have a functioning circuit made of two gates N and OR gates. The two variables are the input pins to the gates. So here to design a chip system, we have to select. In doing so, this circuit is made by pressing this button here, and these are the gates, the switch inputs, LED output, light, and we have the connection nodes and parts that are used to connect to the circuits. So there are different gates, 3 input gates. Generators here, we don't use generators, we use input pin switch buttons here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll now set up the I/O circuit, a circuit I/O. This is pre-recorded, so in doing that, you press on the I/O circuit, then you select. Okay. Okay, so when you select it counts here, becomes one of these pins. When you finish, then you push this one down. Okay, so when a pin is selected, the yellow indicator there displays on the inputs. So here I've selected the N gate 2 inputs, the OR gate 2 inputs, then the output pins. Okay, for the chip. Okay, so that's basically it, simply. Then to show to have a feel of you have to go here, then you check IC. Okay, then the name of the IC you created will be here. So here, that's it, we have it. This is the chip. Okay, add IC, so you can add the IC, and the add IC, that's where the chip is. Okay, so that's it, that's the chip. Okay, yeah, that's the chip. Thanks for watching. Bye.